Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will start by getting the installer and making boot media so the system boots reliably. Download the Debian ISO that matches your needs and verify the checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Once verified, write the ISO to a USB stick with Bailna Etcher or use DD if you prefer command line. Make sure you've backed up important data and sketched a simple partition plan, root, swap, and home, so you know where to install and avoid overwriting vital files. You will now walk through the installer screens and actually install Debian. Boot from the USB and pick the graphical or text installer. Choose language, keyboard, and locale for correct encoding. Next, partition disks. Use guided LVM for flexible volumes or manual with ext4 or BTRFS if you need control. Create a swap partition sized for your RAM and hibernation needs. Once partitions are mounted, install the base system. Select a kernel, set the host name, and create your primary user and password. You will finish by making the system bootable and updating packages so everything runs smoothly. Install GRUB to the primary disk, reboot and remove the USB, then log in and run apt update and apt upgrade to pull security fixes. If you need firmware or proprietary drivers, enable non-free repositories and install them. Also set up SSH or your desktop environment. If the system won't boot, use a live USB to check fstab UUIDs, mount partitions to inspect logs, and reinstall GRUB or repair partition flags as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.